Alright guys, on today's video, I'm gonna show you this server, the Lifetale server. I've been playing this server just start, so I want you to show around. So let's start. So this is the server. Lot of players playing right now. Let's see how many players playing. There's 10 players playing. Okay, this is the money clicker. This is where you get your money, and I have 255,000. And this is the RTP, the random teleport. And this is the experience clicker. You can click this for experience. And this is the shop. What the fuck is he doing? And this is the top kill leaderboard, and I'm the number 1. And this is the money, top money, and I'm the second. And this is all the rules. Isn't the rules? No, I don't know what that means. No IP, no bullying, no abusing, no hacking. Yeah, as you notice, I'm on 16 heart because I already killed 6 people because they suck. So hope I see you guys on this server. Hope you play it. It's on version Minecraft version 0.15.10, 0.14, or Craftman. You can join. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Shout out for Dagi for giving me YouTube rank. I'm gonna show you my YouTube rank, so it's here. So yeah, he gave me YouTube rank because I upload on the server. So yeah, see you guys. Hope you subscribe, like the video. Yeah, bye.